So he thought that I am alone. And he will do whatever they want with me. But Auntie is still with me. I served her all of my life. Obeyed her. And in this time, she will never leave me alone.
Make this fan a little faster.
Its regulator is not right. It runs at this speed only.
That way it would be very hot.
Yeah, it is. But what we can do now?
So, the children sleep here as well?
No, we slept on the roof.
But there will be mosquitoes.
Mosquitoes don't bite us. We apply mosquito repellent lotion.
With you. Children also live in trouble.
An honorable life has a different taste. Man himself begins to compromise a lot.
Not every human being. Many women stay with their husbands for these luxuries.
Your thinking is wrong. A woman is only in love with her husband. She lives in his shadow and in his shelter. Or she stays by holding the veil of his name, which protects her from the evil eyes of society. Or maybe she sacrificed her life for the sake of motherhood, because of which she would be able to buy all the comforts for her child. But on her honor and happiness she wouldn't compromise. You guys ask for a very high price for the sake of support. The husband values the woman. The woman who face violence from her in-laws several times in a day. Who faced humiliation on everything. It is better for her to know his loss long beforehand.
In this little house. In this simple life. Where did so much ego come from in you?
Ego is present in every woman. Just there are few ones who remain silent. And then it start to compromise.
Muskan. Shamir has remarried.
It had to happen. When you start getting the love extra, its value falls in terms of emotions.
Yes. Like your love. It should be given luckily. By the way, I was mentally prepared that you will ask me to apologize.
No. My fight with you was not just for apology. It was just for honor.
God's wrath. Both sons left the mother alone and get separated with their beloved wives. What a time has come.
And a heartbroken wife is left for you. Now live the rest of your life with her.
How can I live on her support? She herself is broken.
So you should have been considered it before you chose Shamir. What was needed, by the way? You left your working son and daughter-in-law for that empty girl.
Why wouldn't I support her? I grabbed all the ornaments from her. I couldn't be more shameless.
And in exchange of these ornaments you lost both sons.
Yeah, I was married for which I was needed ornaments for dowry. You both started talking a lot. If you guys have remained quiet, I would have stopped Shahnawaz. Your tongues don't stop at all. Just like scissors. That scissor is not of tailor but a scissor of gardener.
Yes, it was all our fault. And all the things that Shahnawaz's brother has told us, it was nothing.
Stop it, Hina, and shut your mouth. I am telling you. This bad language of yours will do you a great disservice. And your marriage is stuck in our throats like a bone.
Okay, fine. Your son is right, we are wrong. And she is good. That Muskan. Who has gone to her house and sat comfortably. She lived in 2 or 4 days now. She controlled her husband.
And our mother is scolding us. She's not saying anything to that clever girl who ate the whole young son. Repentance. She did some black magic on him. That our house has torn apart. Our languages have always been like this. But our brothers kept us on their eyes. This hate game seems like a new game to me. The brothers who kept us on their eyes all our lives today, they don't even know us.
Alas, I thought she is poor, that's why I brought her so that she stays under me. But I didn't have any idea that I would lose my son in return.
So, mother, will you hand over your young son in return for this mistake?
So what do I do? How will I face him? Shahnawaz is angry with us.
By the way, I'm surprised. You forgave your son so quickly. By the way, I would suggest. Let's go to their home. Let's go to their home. We'll teach him a lesson to both mother and daughter. We'll accuse them of leaving Shahnawaz's brother's home. We will scare them and threaten them. And at last she herself would tell Shahnawaz's brother to go. And anyway, her mother is very timid. She will convince in an instant.
It's good. Other will be disrespect in free. Why should we give our young healthy wealthy brother to them?
Not at all. Enough. Now we have to do such a big drama over there. The moment Shahnawaz comes back from office, Muskan's mother apologized and sent him back here to us, then okay.
Mother, you.
Where is my son?
Hey, we can discuss these later. Go and get some tea and water.
Hey, leave the tea, auntie. What my mother is asking from you, give us answers straightforwardly.
Actually.
Leave it, Mom.
Leave her, she just say anything nonsense. Tell me what you would like to have.
After seeing this compliment of yours, we thought the daughter will also be like mother. But she is such a cunning girl.
You are forgetting that you are in our house at the moment. And it is not part of our tradition to be rude to guests.
You don't belong to a big family like Moguls that you are talking about traditions. You belong to a poor family. You should be thankful to my mother. She gave you a favor, that she has come to save your house. On the contrary, you have taken away her son.
It would have been better if Shahnawaz would increase his love for Azra.
Yes, she is right, you should be thankful to my mother's favor. Shahnawaz was flirty with Azra.
Stop this nonsense. Neither Azra is that type of girl, not Shahnawaz.
Yeah, just we are the worst.
Only God knows this better.
Hey lady. Oh, I did this good deed for the sake to save your house, that you are an orphan girl. I hadn't any idea that my son will leave me in return of this deed. You took great advantage, a great advantage I must say. What do you think of yourself? After snatching my son, you think you will live comfortably here. Remember that. I will not tolerate any injustice to myself. I will humiliate you in front of the whole world that you will not be able to show your face to the world.
Although only 1%. It was hoped that my mother will be ashamed of her cruelty. But it is also not in you. Your daughters will never let you settle your house with your sons. What you guys think? What you say? They ruin homes by their words.
Son, I didn't say anything like that. Actually. Well, leave these things now. Come home with us and I'll tell you everything, son. Fortunately, your sister is getting married. Come on, let's go home and we'll sort out all of your complaints. We've come here to convince you, dear.
For you. Your sons are only an ATM card for you. Nothing else. Mum. You don't worry. The duties which I have, I will come to fulfill them. Let's go, Muskin.
Hello.
Hello. Mona's sister-in-law will not ask to come in.
Yes, yes, why not? Come inside. Come in.
We have come here with so much difficulty that what can I tell you? We have tricked her that we are going to the market. Azra is crying and mourning in the house. I think somehow she will soften my mother's heart.
Hey Mona's sister, why are you standing? In such a situation, it's not good to stand for so long. Sit down.
I swear. If you were in our home, we'll care about you so much that the whole world would have seen it.
You are two going to get married soon.
What is the comfort of home? We have almost forgotten. Shamir came here and sat down. And Azra. She is mourning in the house as well.
By the way, she should not be so stubborn. It's bad for her.
That's what we think. She still thinks that Shamir brother will come back.
Yes, so there is no doubt about it. He will agree.
What do you mean? That Shamir will return.
What are you talking about, Mona? When the trumpet of love and obedience of Azra will be blown in the ears of Shamir in morning and evening. So how long will he sit like that? And sorry to say, Mona. Wife, whether first or second. When a 1.5 year of marriage will pass. So, it becomes a little unattractive for husband. Am I right, Hina?
Yes. That's right. By the way, Mona's sister. Why don't you bring Shamir brother to our house?
Shamir. Tried for this.
Oh God. What are you saying? You should be daring. You should come home. Don't think about mom. She will be angry for a few days, but after that, seeing your obedience, she will become happy.
The one who is not accepting me right now. How will she keep me at her home?
No, no. Hey, man. After all, she will not push her beloved son and his wife out of the house. Yes. After all, there is one thing. If you guys will not come. So, day by day, by appreciating Azra, she will surely turn Shamir's attention towards Azra.
Yes, she is right. Even today, she was also talking about Azra's old love stories. Now he is a man. How long will he keep his ears closed?
Yes, yes. All we want is that if he has married with you, so it should be settled as well. You should think of your unborn child. The family child will be called the same. Who will grow up with family?
Yeah, but there's already Azra.
Hey, you should stop worrying about Azra. We will manage this all. You just come to our house. But you have to take care of one thing. You just have to win my mother's heart by doing something.
Your in-law are very careless. They didn't even come here to meet us, nor they bring any clothes and gifts for me.
Dear Auntie, these are some of the clothes I received as a gift at my wedding. Put these in Hina's dowry if you want.
Hey dear, may God bless your unborn child and may God let your husband bow down before you.
Amen. Mom, I have more stuff. There are also dinner sets and utensils. If you like them, keep them as well.
Dear, now you are the only support from sons. There is no hope left that they would also think about Tia's sister's dowry. But you are just like a son for me.
Don't say such things. The favor you have bestowed on me is immense. You didn't let Mona come into the house. If you wanted, you could have brought her to this house, brought her in front of me, but you didn't do such thing. I will never forget your kindness.
What? Yes dear, why not? Stay blessed, may God bless you with all the happiness. Hey, Azra. You had a set of pots. Pots which are non-stick. If you say so. Can I put it into Hina's dowry?
Yes, Auntie. You keep that too. I have other things you should come and see this as well.
Sister-in-law, you also have a juicer machine. It is of no use. So,
yeah, take it as well. Everything is yours. Just save me from that scene.
What kind of scene?
The scene in which Shamir. He is entering in this house with Mona. Mona is like the eldest daughter-in-law in this house, living freely.
Why don't you fight for me? Why do you step back because of fear?
Wow. What a great thinking you have. I mean, such a big problem was created. I took stand for you and face it all. And you think I am not fighting for you?
Yes, you already give up in front of your family.
What do you want, man? What is your problem? As far as I know, you just wanted that. That Azra may know our truth. Let it be known that we are married. She know it all. What do you want now?
I want my child's right. I want him to grow with your family. No matter what I have to endure. I will bear any pain, but I will stay in that house with my full rights.
Mom. We took all things from her. We took the clothes too. What will she do when Shamir come home in the evening with her?
Let him bring her. We didn't do anything. He has brought her himself. We didn't brought and picked her up in the lap. Because of her we raised our hands from the head of our child.
You're right.
We will say, like you, we are helpless before Shamir. What we'll say more? Where does he listen to someone?
Look, I am still explaining to you. I don't like your decision to move into this house. Think about it again.
Shamir, after getting married with you, I changed everything. What's supposed to be happen has happened now. We can't go back now. You should go there and say that you are the son of that house. Mona is also a daughter-in-law just like Azra. And that's it. We will stay here.
But where will we live?
In your room.
In my room? You will stay with Azra.
No. With you. Give Azra another room. Hello everyone.
What is this, Auntie? You said that you wouldn't let her to come in this house.
But this is also my house. I will stay here too. And Mona will also stay here from now on.
Mum. For you. Whether it's Azra or Mona, both are your daughters-in-law, right? And I don't want to snatch your son and live in a separate house. Nor do I want to deprive my child of your affection. I am your daughter-in-law.
Auntie, grab this cunning by arm and get her out of the house.
Just think of one thing. My other arm is held by your son. If I left this house, your son will also get out of your hands. What's of me? Nowadays daughters-in-law are longing to have a separate home. I have come here so that I can spend my life with you.
And Azra, you don't have to worry. I'll give equal rights to both of you. I will give you all rights. I'm not leaving you.
I don't need your kindness. Take this wife, and get out of here. We together will arrange Hina's marriage.
Hey, how will you arrange the marriage? Do we lose our brother who is like my father? What happened to you, Azra's sister? You make everything an ego problem.
Sit down. Dear, if only your uncle were alive, I would grab him by the ear and drive him out of the house. But what should I do, my daughter? This is the support of me and my orphan girls.
Auntie, I'm also your daughter. Don't you see my pain?
Hey, so you want to give me the same pain by snatching my baby?
Azra. We'll live like sisters in the same house.
You have abused the relationship of sisters. County wives can never be sisters. The woman who snatches my husband from me, how will she become my sister? You are the worst enemy. Who has betrayed me by becoming a friend?
It means you accepted me?
Dear, right now I've kept you in this house. I'll accept you on the basis of your character. Just because of you, Azra has become cold-hearted from me. Although, this girl served me more than my daughters. She obeyed me more than slaves. It is very difficult to have a heart like her.
It's true. Azra has set that example of being a good daughter-in-law. That Muskin was never even close to that.
Now even in the light you look so terrible. As in darkness. Just like a shadow. Like the demon of love that hide his beautiful face and come in his real face.
Azra. I have brought food, eat it.
Wow, Shamir. You still worry about my food? But no. Mona must have said to you to take food for her. But you know why. No matter how cruel a person may be. But there is also a capacity for oppression. You can't take my life now. And that's because I have given all of me to you. Don't want to be called a killer. You know what? People also die from pain. What have you done to me? That pain will probably kill me too.
Azra, this pain doesn't kill a man. Rather, it makes you even stronger.
Mistakes are yours. And punishment are for me. Some people are right. That man is like a king. And you are that cruel king that whomever he wants proves a sinner, and whomever he wants proves an innocent.
Azra, why don't you do one thing at once? Cry with your all heart. Curse me with all your heart. So that this burden of your heart will end at once. Azra, I'm not first man in the world who has remarried. Others do too. And after that, they live happily after that. We can live too. Azra. I was thinking that if you shift in the above room, so it will be better. Actually, I know that room is small, but you will adjust. I say this only because you have so many years. You have so many years. Served everyone so much. A little chance and a little time. Mona also get a chance. A little responsibility should also be placed on her shoulders. You stay in above room comfortably, calmly.
Wow, Shamir. Wow. You present your excuses so beautifully that beauty fades away in front of them.
I just said that because Mona, she is on bed rest. She can't climb stairs.
Yes, I can do everything. I can even climb stairs, even I can endure all the oppression. You can humiliate me as much as you want. I am used to it, and you people also have a habit of humiliating me too. I can do everything.
Nothing will happen by arguing.
Your heart must want me to get out of this house. But as I am an orphan, so this thing took away your right to abuse as well.
Azra. I said no, there is no point of arguing. You should understand this thing. Whatever I am saying is for the betterment of all. I'm telling you. You won't be in any trouble above.
So, why don't you shift with Mona upstairs?
Just because Mona wants to stay here down for a while. She wants to win the hearts of all the family members. She wants to make place in their hearts. Azra. Azra.
Azra. Are you in mourning for Shamir's unfaithfulness? You won't get anything. Because now Shamir will not return. He is very happy and satisfied with your dear friend, Mona. The same Mona who was everything for you. Then very quietly, she snatched everything from you. You always wanted to be Shamir's lover. Now be her lover. Because now Shamir has given you the pain of whole life. You were stupid, Azra. You were stupid. That's why everyone made you a fool. No one is your own. Neither Shamir, her family, nor your friend Mona. Everyone used you till now. And you have been used. I'm not bad. No, I'm not bad. This world altogether has done unfair things with me. I'm not bad.
निकलिया बेवफा तू अखा किसी होर नाल लाया गवा से यार तू मेरे इश्क दा निकलिया बेवफा तू अखा किसी होर नाल लाया सदा मैंने मैं तेरियां हुन दस मैं किवें वंडा अपनी जिंद जानिया यार बेवफा ते मेरा रब ही गवाह यार बेवफा ते मेरा रब ही गवाह सोने रब दे अगे देवा देवा मैं दुआइयां
I also clearly said, Shahnawaz, that if you want to come then come here. But this wife of yours will not set foot in this house. O wrath of God! Mother and sisters went to convince that misfortune and she got stuck. She put a condition in front of his husband, that to leave mother and sisters.
Oh God, look at this oppression.
I also left the decision to Shahnawaz. I thought I should test my sons. Let me see how much they love their mother. I had spent my whole life just by convincing my sons. And sons caught in the trap of wives like this that they start blackmailing their mother. Is this suitable? Such wives should break their teeth. There are also sons like this. They tell their wives clearly, there will be thousands like you, but there is no one like mother will be found.
You are 100% right.
Now if Shahnawaz loves his mother, then he will grab that unfortunate Muskan from her hair and will bring her home back.
Will you keep her?
It depends on the style of her apology.
That's right. Hey sister-in-law, what happened to you? Why are you worried? Hey, my mother is saying these things for these daughters-in-law who don't serve mom, or don't serve us, or disobey my mother. Otherwise, my mother's heart is so big only God knows that. Take the example of Azra. My mother stood for her like a wall. Am I right?
Mona. Go and take rest. She left the room.
What? Shamir, who passed like the wind, is that Azra? You kicked Azra out of the room.
I didn't kick her out. I just said her. Mum, don't see her condition? She is about to become a mother. Where will she rest? And I told her, but she probably has to stay in the upstairs room. Well, I'll set the upstairs room. She will be comfortable there.
Hey Shamir. But the unused things of this house are kept there. How will she stay there?
Please don't set fire. If she wants, if she think with a little cold mind, so she could have been a shift in the brother's room. He is not here.
Sorry to say, Shamir. You set the fire yourself and saying to think with a cold mind.
Mum, there is already a heavy burden on my heart. My brain is spinning strangely. I already don't know what to do, and on the other hand, these words of yours. If you want to take rest, take it.
Make her your friend. See, she ambushed the sister-in-law.
It's all the stupidity of Azra. When you see, I'm coming from Mona's house. I am going to Mona's house. Come on Shamir, let's go to Mona's house. Sometimes Mona is bringing gifts, sometimes she is going to Mona's home. He tied such a tie around Shamir's neck that Azra got trapped. Satar is calling me. Seems like he is outside. Mom, whatever it is. Congratulations to you for getting back your son. You'll see now. God willing. Shahnawaz will be brought back to the house just like this. And that Muskan. She will lick your souls, God willing. Just. Our mission will succeed. Okay, I am going. Goodbye. Goodbye, Mom. Put your hand on me at least.
Long live my daughter.
Is my bag outside?
Yes. What happened, Mum?
Hey dear, different thoughts are coming to my mind of that unfortunate girl. Come on, let's bring her back, Hina.
What happened, Mum? Sleep now. It is a matter of husband and wife. Shamir brother should handle this matter of his wives.
The sobs of that helpless girl echo in my ears.
Mum. Your unique lovely daughter-in-law wants a divorce for Mona. You are unable to force him. Thankfully Shamir brother have come home. Everything is going to be all right. Now let it not be that the weeping and mourning of Azra will annoy him. And Shahnawaz brother will also not be there. He is completely gone. My marriage is going to happen soon.
Hey, what should I do? I'm not at peace at all. What should I do?
Take this. Older people use these sleeping pills to soothe their conscience. And that's what you need most right now.
Get out of here. I don't take. What a solution you have come up with, silly girl.
Can you tell me one thing? Do you want me to marry or not?
You should sleep.
You were awake up till now and asking me to sleep.
Where did you go early morning?
Do you have two eyes behind as well? How can you see so much?
Shamir, second wife, is not afraid of any woman in the world.
You are so great, by the way. You want to do cruel things. The spectators continue to have mercy on you. And no one call you cruel as well. Wow.
Leave it. And tell me, how is she doing?
That poor soul was very sleepy. So she'd slept.
She must shouted at you.
Yes. That's probably why I didn't even wake her up.
Shamir, please. Get her stuff shifted upstairs. On this bed all night, Azra's feeling was torturing me.
You don't worry. I'll shift her luggage during the lunch break tomorrow. And please, in the meantime, you don't stay around. I don't want any mess in the house.
Tell me one thing. She is also pregnant. Then why do you think only of me?
Because the first happiness I got from you. Yes, but maybe tomorrow, she will be important to just as you are today. I'm leaving. It's getting late. I'll see you. I'll see you later.
Hey dear, give a cup to that unfortunate too.
There's no need. It's her own house. She should live like she lived before.
Good morning.
Your lovely Mona still doesn't come out from the room.
She is at bed rest. Therefore, she did not come.
You are talking like we didn't give birth to children. Take an example of Muskan. She took care of the housework during all the months.
That's why she ran away from her home. Look. Thankfully that she is start thinking reasonable and I came back to my house. Now please don't create any drama. If she lost her mind again so. She has her own house, her own job. You also know that she will never be like Azra.
That's great. Speak in her favor. Speak as much as you want. Take an advantage of your widowed mom as much as you want. Because the wedding of your orphan sister is going to be held. So why would you stay behind? Your big brother left me at your mercy? Do whatever you want.
Thank you very much for your breakfast. I will eat in the office.
Give breakfast to his wife. Otherwise she will complain him.
I am not going. I'm getting married anyway. You keep me busy and works all the time. One of your daughters-in-law has escaped and the other got stick to bed in shock. And Hina is suffering this all. I can't do this household chores. Nor I can flatter Mona. People used to take care of that girl who is getting married. People apply whitening creams and oil. And here your daughter-in-law has pushed me in front of the stove.
Oh God! What a wonderful time it was when Shahnawaz was here. In a comparison of being better than each other. How much they lived decently. Tell Shahnawaz that Shamir is better than you. So Shahnawaz used to try to be more better than him. And when I told Shamir that Shahnawaz is better than you, so Shamir used to put his 100% efforts of being better than him. They both always tried to get extra marks to pass in front of me. Hey, Hina. Call your sister Abida. Tell her to come. The three of us will go together. We will bring Shahnawaz back to house. Everything will be fine after he will come back.
Yes. That's fine too.
Just call her today and say her to come here.
I'll do after breakfast.
I hope you will be in your limits and don't say anything nonsense.
Hello.
You guys, here?
Hey dear, I was missing you. Oh, sit down. Shahnawaz. Son, we have come here to convince you. Come on, let's go home.
No, Mum. It's too late now.
Don't say that, my son. You are my sweetheart. Your mother has come here to convince you on her own. Please come with me. After I went to home, I scolded both of your sisters. Now see, they are here with me. Well, son. Even mothers forgive their sons as well. So the sons should also make their hearts big. Let's go home. Come on, my son.
Yes, brother. Please forgive us. And come home with us.
In a house where my wife and children are not valued. It is useless for me to live in it.
What are you talking about, Shahnawaz? It's your house too. That is why we have come here to take you with us. Look at the mother's condition. She cries remembering you. How can you do that? Aren't we yours responsibility? Don't we have a right on you?
Abida, sister, aren't my wife and my children my responsibility? Don't they have any right on me?
Let it go, Shahnawaz. They have realized their mistakes. Forget everything and come home. Your home is waiting for you. Come on.
It's too late now. To go with you guys. What will I do? Anyways, a few days.
Hey. What do you mean?
The company have transferred me.
Who is there? Oh. It's you. Actually, I thought that there is no one at home, so maybe a cat has come in the kitchen.
There was a cat. How was your night? You always had a desire of coming here, in my house, in my room, and in my bed as well.
Please, Azra, stop talking like this. Otherwise you will drive yourself crazy.
I was crazy. I'm crazy. And I will become crazy.
What happened, Azra? Are you out of your mind?
Yes, I'm out of my mind. Beloved husband and my beautiful friend together have made me crazy. Who have made me crazy? You made me crazy. You and Shamir together have made Azra crazy. You both drove me crazy. And I was thinking that you were my friend. Azra thought that Mona was Azra's friend. You two must be making fun of me. You two must be joking together that Azra has gone mad. Azra is crazy. The two of you together have made me crazy. I'm out of my mind.
Please.
You must be making fun of me along with Shamir. Right, you spend your nights with him. Right, you live with him. You should have told me that you like him. You've made me crazy. Where are you going? In the mirror of Azra. See your horrible reflection.
You are getting rid of your widowed mother and orphan sisters.
Mum. I will no longer be involved in any emotional blackmail. I also have a career. My children also have a right of good education and training. Why wouldn't I go?
Yes, son, yes. Your wife and children have all the rights. Mothers and sisters have no right on you, right?
What are you talking about, Mum? What about the sisters? One sister is married. Other sister is getting married. And you. So you have Shamir. If you say so, I'll take you with me.
Why don't you say clearly, Shanawaz, that? Don't expect anything from me now, my mother. Now I am in love with my wife. Very good, son, very good. You have given a very good reward of your mother's education and training.
It is nothing like that. You trust me.
Leave it, dear. I know your wife very well. From the very first day she wanted to separate you from your mother and sisters. Today, her heart's desire has been fulfilled.
I will keep meeting you. And the matter left of my wife. You have no connection with that. I'm your son. I will keep meeting you. I have full confidence on Muskan. And she will never stop me from doing my duty. Every time you think I'll put Muskan in front of you like before. And your daughters will do whatever comes in their minds. So this is your mistake. In no religion such a duty is applied to the husband. Hina is my sister. In her marriage. I will help what I can.
Doesn't matter. If my sons would live without me, So I too will learn to live without them. Let's go. Come on, let's go.
निकलिया बेवफा तू अखा किसी होर नाल